Welcome everyone. Problem on gaseous state. Calculate the average velocity of oxygen gas at 300 K. We know that the average velocity C average is equal to root 8 RT by pi m, where R is the gas constant, T is the temperature, and m is the molar mass. We know that gas constant R is equal to 8.314 joule K inverse mole inverse. Here given temperature T is equal to 300 K. Again we know that the molar mass of oxygen m is equal to 32 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg per mole. Now we put the values of R, T and M in this equation. Therefore, the average velocity C average is equal to root 8 into 8.314. It is the value of R, into 300. It is the value of T, by 3.14. It is the value of pi, into 32 into 10 to the power minus 3. It is the value of m, or C average is equal to 445.62 meter per second. Thank you for watching this video.